From the earliest woven reeds of ancient Mesopotamia to the highly engineered smart fabrics of the modern age, the textile industry has remained one of humanity's oldest and most influential economic pillars. Long before the rise of steel, automobiles, or digital technology, textiles shaped civilizations, fostered international trade, created empires, and provided livelihoods for millions. Every thread spun by human hands tells a story of innovation, culture, commerce, and survival. Today, the textile industry stands at another defining moment in its long history. While automation, sustainability, and technological advancement are transforming traditional manufacturing, the industry's immense potential continues to expand. As global populations increase, consumer demand evolves, and new markets emerge, textiles remain indispensable to everyday life. Clothing, medical fabrics, industrial materials, protective equipment, aerospace components, and smart wearable technologies all depend upon continuous innovation in textile production. The history of textiles is inseparable from the history of civilization itself. Archaeological discoveries reveal that humans have woven fibers for more than 10,000 years. Ancient Egyptians cultivated flax to produce fine linen, while civilizations in India mastered cotton cultivation centuries before many other regions. China revolutionized global commerce through silk production, carefully guarding the secrets of sericulture for centuries. The legendary Silk Road became not merely a trading route but a bridge connecting East and West, enabling the exchange of goods, ideas, science, and culture. During the medieval period, wool became Europe's economic backbone. Cities prospered through weaving and dyeing industries, while merchants accumulated immense wealth from textile trade. The Industrial Revolution marked perhaps the greatest transformation in textile history. Innovations such as the spinning jenny, water frame, spinning mule, and power loom dramatically increased production efficiency. Factories replaced small workshops, urban industries flourished, and textiles became the foundation of modern industrial economies. Modern textiles bear little resemblance to the simple fabrics of antiquity. Today's textile industry integrates sophisticated scientific research with advanced manufacturing technologies. Innovations include smart fabrics, conductive textiles, self-cleaning materials, fire-resistant clothing, bullet-resistant fibers, waterproof membranes, antibacterial fabrics, temperature-regulating garments, biodegradable fibers. Environmental responsibility has become one of the industry's defining priorities. Historically, textile production consumed vast quantities of water, chemicals, and energy. Modern manufacturers increasingly embrace sustainable practices to reduce environmental impact. Key developments include organic cotton cultivation, recycled polyester production, water-efficient dyeing technologies, renewable energy integration, circular manufacturing systems, textile recycling, waste reduction programs.